guys, Noah with Wiseman Company here. Today I'm going to answer one of the most commonly asked questions we get, and that is, how do I install my SplitFix on my SBA 3 brace? Pretty simple. Just get your original one off of there, throw it in the trash. With your new one, the starting point is a little bit different, and that's the thing that messes up a lot of people, is that you don't start on the sides. You actually want to start on the top of the brace. So you're going to feed it through like so, and then when you get to this point, when you have the strap that actually is the fix, it is a little bit more difficult, but you just sort of angle it to the side like so and continue to pull it through. Just work it back and forth. It is a little bit snug, but it will pull through. At that point, then you just continue as you would normally and thread it through your brace. And at that point, you want to position it so that you can fix your split. Go ahead and put your wrap around, feed it through the other side, feed it through your buckle, and snug it down. At that point, you have fixed your split. You're all set. You're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for supporting Wiseman Company. We appreciate everything.